So I tried this $30 LED skin light mask. Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today, and hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. On this channel, we'll cover everything from makeup to skincare to fashion to travel to meditation, anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, of course, you've been hearing a lot about LED skin mask. See all the different colors. I think the best ones, the most famous ones, are the one by Dr. Dennis, which is a big, solid, deluxe, very luxurious mask. I believe you have to pretty much stay immobile when using it, and it's like $435. There's another one by Omnilux. It is a little lighter weight, more flexible. Also, a lot of penetration. I think that one's $400 as well. I want to invest that much money unless I was really sure it would work. So I started looking for less expensive options. And I saw this ad pop up in my Instagram feed for something like this. The one in the ad was, I think, $145. But I decided just to search Amazon. And I found this one identical to the one that was being advertised for $145 for $30 and decided to give it a try. Well, I've been using this for a few weeks and I've used it about 6 or 7 times. So I thought I'd just share what I'm feeling about this so far and how it compares to other LED methods. Basically, the home LED light treatments fall into one of 4 categories. The first is the solid molded mask. The most famous of these is probably the Dr. Dennis mask. The pros on this is the very high concentration of light. In fact, with the Dr. Dennis mask, the concentration is so intense, a 3-minute session will give you as much treatment as a 20 to 30-minute session using some of the other devices. The cons, of course, are the cost. Also, they can sometimes be uncomfortable. The second category is the more flexible mask. An example of this is the Omnilux. These also offer a high concentration of light, but they also can be expensive. They tend to be more comfortable than the more solid mask. The next category is the one that I got, the lightweight clear face shield. The pros to that, the lower cost. It covers the entire face, it's lightweight and comfortable, but it has much lower light intensity and somewhat less reliable. The fourth category is the handheld device. These can be less expensive and they allow you to target specific areas on your face, neck, or body. In fact, if you're only buying one thing and you have less than $100 to spend, this would be what I would recommend. And of course, there's always the option of going to a professional med spa for treatment. But let me share a little bit about what the LED light is supposed to do. The different colors penetrate at a different level. The red is the most intense, and that is supposed to be really good for anti-aging. It penetrates deeply into your skin and stimulates the collagen production and supposedly gets rid of wrinkles. That's what I'm kind of hoping for with this. The blue light is more antibacterial, and that's supposed to be really good for healing acne. The amber or yellow light is the mildest, the gentlest, and is supposed to be good for healing redness, skin irritations. And the green is supposed to be good for pigmentation problems, dark spots. I've heard it can have the reverse effect, and actually if you have a few dark spots it could actually increase pigmentation. Other people have said it has really helped and blend in together their skin tone. So just proceed with caution whatever you do. I've tried several different ways. One is just using a cheap hyaluronic acid all over my face and let that sort of moisturize as this penetrates. I also tried using the sort of oxygen serum from Wild Rose Beauty, and that has a lot of different peptides and antioxidants that's really good for your skin, and I did feel my skin extra firm after using it with that. Another step I tried was using it with a sheet face mask. One of the benefits of the red LED lights is that they penetrate deep into your skin and activate collagen production. So what I'm going to try tonight is something I'm actually just experimenting with for the first time. I'm taking a collagen and peptide sheet mask and put that on my face first. Let that sit for 20 minutes. Then with the lotion from the sheet mask still on my face, I'm going to use the LED mask. So this is the sheet mask. Let's just place this over my face. Okay, I'm going to relax for 20 minutes with this mask on, then remove the mask and try the LED lights. Okay, 20 minutes have gone by, so I am removing this mask and just massage the liquid into my face and onto the neck. Just tap it, make sure my face is nice and moist. Now I'm putting on this LED mask with the red infrared rays. Okay, gonna leave this on for 10 minutes as well and let the infrared lights penetrate this moisture, this collagen peptides into my skin. Well, prior to buying this, I've been using this, and I still think in some ways this may actually be a better option. With this one, it's more focused. You can place it exactly where you want it for the exact amount of time you want it. Can concentrate on specific areas. It's great for getting under the neck. All the little places that maybe this one doesn't penetrate as well. And it does seem like it's a more intense directed light. This one, however, you can just relax, read, watch TV, whatever, while wearing this. You just put it on and let it go. It does not penetrate directly on your skin. And the lights are very, very fine, very, very subtle. So you do not get the intensity of penetration that you would in something like this, or that you would in the more expensive ones that have a whole lot of little light bulbs inside them. But for an inexpensive option, it's not a bad choice. So I'm going to continue using it and just kind of track my progress over the months, and then maybe decide whether or not to invest in one of the more expensive ones. Well, that's the video for today. If you like this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? Also, do you have a new gadget, device, anything that you'd like to share? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.